Welcome to the UTM Tracker Template. In this video, I'll walk you through what the template does and explain the variables and options available within it. Introduction and Help to start. The Introduction and Help section outlines all aspects of the template. This includes the available options, how to make changes, and contact details if you need further assistance. Core features. The core of this system is, of course, the UTM Tracker. This is where you can create UTMs, generate short URLs, produce QR codes. Beyond that, there are additional features to help you organize your campaigns and customize your tracker. 1. Campaigns, a space to list your campaigns and associate them with specific people. 2. Mediums, pre-populated with common options, but you can add or remove entries as needed. 3. Lead sources, similarly pre-populated with the ability to customize. 4. QR codes, stores all your generated QR codes. I'll dive into more detail on this shortly. 5. Variables, an important section where you can configure settings, including foreground and background colors for QR codes. The short domain you're using with Rebrandly defaults to Rebrandly's domain if left blank. Your Rebrandly API key, which is essential for using their service, creating a UTM. Let's walk through creating a UTM. 1. Enter the original URL. For this example, I'll use my home page. 2. Add UTM parameters. Medium, let's select Direct. Source, we'll choose LinkedIn. Campaign, I'll set this to tape. At this point, you'll notice the generated UTM URL is quite long. The source and campaign are represented by numbers, which correspond to the associated records in the system. Using numbers keeps things more discreet and avoids publicly exposing campaign names. Generating short URLs and QR codes. Once your UTM is ready, you can generate a short URL. This will contact Rebrandly to create a shortened version of the UTM URL. Automatically generate a QR code based on the short URL. If you only need a QR code for the full UTM URL, you can create one directly by clicking the appropriate button. Let's create a short URL now. Once generated, the QR code will be stored in the QR codes section. Here you'll find both SVG and PNG formats of the code for easy use. Adjusting variables. You can customize your QR codes further by updating the foreground and background colors in the Variables section. Let's change these values and create a new QR code to see the updated design. For example, foreground, orange. Background, blue. When we create a new QR code, it reflects these color changes. You can reset the colors to their default values, black on white or transparent, at any time by removing the values. Summary. To recap, the UTM Tracker lets you generate UTMs, create short URLs, produce QR codes with customizable colors, manage campaigns, mediums, and lead sources with ease. The short domain and Rebrandly API key are optional but essential for leveraging Rebrandly's short URL functionality. If the short domain is left blank, it will default to Rebrandly's domain. Thank you for using the UTM Tracker template. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.